Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a 600 subscriber special. So you might think I've got over 700 subscribers, but well, my channel is growing rapidly and I haven't done a 600 subscriber special. So today we'll be unboxing this GOL 737 in the Brazil livery. It's by Phoenix in 1400. As you can see, it's with the Brazilian football team logo. So I'm not really a South American collector, but I got this model just because it has this kind of football reference, and I am a football fan, so I thought why not. It was also on sale. But yeah, thank you to everyone who subscribes. Rapid growth in my channel. We'll be nearing 750 subscribers now. And there we go. Okay. No damage on it. Because why would there be? Okay, so at the front here you have your cockpit windows. The nose, the little pitot tube, Brazil Football Federation logo, your nose landing gear, your L1 boarding door, GOL titles, see the green painting on the engine, Brazil titles at the back, registration Papa Romeo Golf X-Ray Bravo. And at the back here on the tail, very nice GOL Brazil. So I don't know what occasion it was painted in the football livery. Maybe for like Copa America or something. If someone knows, comment below. But yeah, it's a nice model. At the bottom here as well, I like this orange bit here in the middle. Lots of detail as always from Phoenix. And that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.